Hello, I am Dr. Abhilasha. I am a uvea and cataract specialist at NeoRetina Eye Care Institute, Hyderabad. Today I'll be talking to you about intraocular lenses. What are intraocular lenses? So during cataract surgery, the surgeon removes the cataract or the cloudy natural lens of the eye and replaces it with an artificial lens which is fixed there permanently. Now these artificial lenses are known as intraocular lenses or IOLs. They allow passage of light and focus a clear image on the retina, thus restoring your vision which was lost because of cataract. Depending upon your lifestyle and visual needs, there are various types of intraocular lenses to choose from. Today I'll be discussing about them. Coming to the first category, the monofocal IOLs. These are the most commonly used IOLs following cataract surgery. They provide clear vision for distance. However, for reading, you will still need spectacles. Therefore, for activities which involve only distance vision, such as driving, you will be largely independent of glasses. For near work, such as reading or stitching, you will still need spectacles. Coming to the next category of IOLs, which are called premium IOLs or enhanced vision IOLs. These provide more vision options. The first in this category is a multifocal IOL. The multifocal IOL has concentric rings of power which focus objects from different distances onto the retina. These IOLs make you largely independent of glasses both for distance and near. The brain adapts to focus objects at various distances onto the retina. The brain selects the appropriate focus while seeing an object at a particular distance while ignoring images from various other distances. This adaptation takes some time after cataract surgery. Some patients also see rings or halos around lights following multifocal IOL implantation. For some, this is bothersome. For others, they don't mind it. Thus, multifocal IOLs make you largely independent of glasses both for distance and near. The next category of IOLs are toric IOLs. These are meant for people who are suffering from astigmatism. Now, astigmatism is a condition where the curvature or the steepness or the power of the cornea, the front window of the eye, is steeper in one axis than the other. This does not allow a sharp image to be formed on the retina. The toric IOLs are designed to correct the blurry or distorted image that forms on the retina because of your astigmatism. Toric IOLs significantly improve distance vision, but for reading, you may still require spectacles. There are newer types of toric IOLs which also correct near vision. These are multifocal toric IOLs. I hope this video was informative. Thanks for watching.